Thank you for volunteering at our track and field meet. This video will go over how to run your track and field station. At the coaches meeting, you'll receive everything you need to run your station. You have your volunteer badges, a clipboard and a pencil, bean bags or pegs for marking distances, a list of participants by school, 2 pink papers to fill in with your top 6 to hand back in at the announcer station, a green sheet with all the instructions for your event, and ribbons to hand out first to 6th place. At the beginning, remind students to stay until the end of the competition to find out if they placed 1st through 6th place. Some students may have 2 events at the same time. If they have another track event, send them to compete in their track event first and then have them return to your throwing event for their turn. For students who have another field event, have them do their turn at your station first and then send them to do their other event. Remind them to check back in at the end of the competition to see if they placed in the top 6. You may have some students with special needs being added to your list the day of the event. These students will always be accompanied by an adult. Please just add their name under their school and have them compete. You have 1 full hour at your station to get through all the competitors. Please don't close up early until all the competitors have been accounted for, as some may be coming from other events. The student will take their first try. If the throw is good, peg the spot on the ground where the javelin touches first. The student will take their second try. If the throw goes further, peg the new distance. If the throw doesn't go further, just leave the first peg. The student will take their third try. If the throw is further, peg the new distance. If it's not further, just leave the first peg. Measure the furthest distance by drawing a line from the peg straight to the measuring tape. Write the furthest distance on the score sheet to the nearest 10 centimeters. Once everybody has competed, go through the scores and find the top 6 places. We have plenty of ribbons, so don't be shy to give ties. Hand out all your ribbons to your top 6 competitors. Once you've handed out your ribbons, please fill in the pink sheet with the name and school of each of your top 6 finishers. On the right-hand side, please indicate yes or no whether those students got a ribbon. The students who did not get a ribbon will pick it up at the announcer's table. At 12 o'clock, please clean up all the equipment, ropes, cones, etc. at your station and bring it to the announcer's table. The following are accepted throwing techniques for javelin. The student can take a running start and throw at the line. The javelin should be launched in an upwards direction. The following are disqualified throwing techniques for javelin. The throw is disqualified if the student steps over the line. The throw is disqualified if the javelin flips end over end. Even if it lands tip first, it is still disqualified. The throw is disqualified if the javelin spins like a propeller. The javelin should be held by the grip and not by the back fins or the front of the javelin. If you have any further questions, you can ask your phys ed teacher or any track and field committee member the day of the meet. We thank you for making this day possible for our students and giving them a chance to compete in a fun and friendly track and field event.